Welcome to KGF Media News. Today's headline: KGF Complex BEML SCST Welfare Association organized 138th birth anniversary celebration of Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at BEML Kalakshetra on Tuesday evening, and also honored the people of excellence in various fields like medical, engineering and education, and awarded them. Along with this, they have also awarded the students of SSLC, PUC and degree toppers. KGF Complex BEML SCST Welfare Association organized 130th birth anniversary celebration of Baba Sahib Dr. B.R. Ambedkar at BEML Kalakshetra on Tuesday evening. This program was addressed by Namadevan VP 1 SCST Welfare Association, presided by S. Tirunavukarasu, DGM, President, BEML SCST Welfare Association, Master of Ceremony by P.L. Narayanamurthy, General Secretary, SCST 1 Welfare Association, Shri Amit Banerjee, Chairman and Managing Director, BEML Limited, participated as distinguished chief guest. Guest of honors, Shri Ishwar Bhatt, CGM, Chief of KGF Complex, Shri Shekhar, CGM, Chief of R&D, KGF Complex, Shri Abhinezer Samir Kes, GM, Chief of HR and Liaison Officer, SCST Welfare Association, KGF Complex, Shri SM Subramaniam, GM, Chief of HNP Division, Shri Manohar Motagi, GM, Chief of RC2 Unit. Special invitees: Shri K. Anjaneyya Reddy, President, BIMIA BEML Limited, KGF Complex; Shri R. Subramani, DGM, General Secretary, BIMOG; Shri Kari Tirumal, AGM, Chief of HR, HNP and Cell Officer, SCST Welfare Association, KGF Complex. Vote of thanks by Shri Narayana, Joint Secretary, SCST Welfare Association, KGF Complex. BEML SCST Welfare Association honored the people of excellence in various fields like medical, engineering and education, and awarded them. Along with this, they have also awarded the students of SSLC, PUC and degree.
Surgery, oral and maxillofacial surgeon. Dr. Ashwini completed Bachelor of Dental Science from Bijapur in 2005 and completed Master of Dental Surgery in Mangalore 2008 and joined BML in 2013. The major oral maxillofacial procedure successfully done by Dr. Ashwini as follows: subcondylar fracture surgery done under general anesthesia, and nasal fracture reductions and maxillary bone fracture reductions also done successfully. Facial soft tissues injuries are being treated in casualty, and cyst decision soft tissue biopsies are also.
Thanks, Banjo. Okay.
Next I call upon Mr. Abhishek, B. Mechanical Engineering, scored first class distinction. Mr. Abhishek, please come to the stage. Next, Kumari Priyanka, D. 048. Next, I call upon Kumari Nisha, N. Sri Nambidasan. Next I call upon Mr. Vinay Selvanathan. Yes. I request Mr. Puneet, please come to the dais. On behalf of our association, I congratulate and wish all the awardees, sir. Thank you, sir. PCLB syllabus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮರಳಿನ ಅಂಕ ಗಳಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆರ್ ನಿಚ್ಚಲ್ ಮಯೂರ್. ಎರಡನೇವರು ಕುಮಾರಿ ನಮರಿತಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚೌಡಪ್ಪ.
ನಮರಿತಪ್ಪ ಚೌಡಪ್ಪ ಇವರು ಕೂಡ PCMBಯಲ್ಲಿ 99.17%. ಇವರು ಕೂಡ 3 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ 100 ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕುಮಾರಿ ಶಶಿ P, NHR 99%. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ BCom ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಅಂಕಗಳನ್ನು ತಂದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಕರಿತೀನಿ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚುಲರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿ ಕುಮಾರಿ ರೂಪಾಶ್ರೀ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ರವಿಚಂದ್ರನ್ G, ಫಿಸಿಯೋಥೆರಪಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೆಯ ಸ್ಥಾನವನ್ನು Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Gautam V, son of Venkatesh B. Gautam V, son of Venkatesh B. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ PUC PCMBಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡನೇವರು ಕುಮಾರಿ ಭಾರತಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಚ್ಯುತ್ ರಾಜ್ K, 86%. ಮೂರನೇವರು ಸ್ನೇಹಾ ಶ್ರೀ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಷಣ್ಮುರುಗಂ R. ಸ್ನೇಹಾ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟರ್ HR ಅಂಡ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಆಶಾ ಎ. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Tournament at New Delhi, Kolkata, Siliguri, Mumbai, Kerala, Chennai, Bihar, Odisha, and won many trophies for the organization. And he has played more 150 league matches all over India. Later he was acknowledged as a qualified referee in football and still dedicatedly contested national and skill competition for the best of the best welder held in Mumbai by Indian Institute of Welding Technology. On 2020 December he participated in the international level welders skill competition at Pune for 3G, 5G welding positions. The association congrats you. Voting stage. Come to the stage. Amulu Pavadas and Sri Chandra Kumar, please come to the stage. Sri Tangodurai Amulu.